Bitcoin right now running into this resistance, and what are the signs that we are seeing right now over on Whale Portal? Guys, we are going to talk about that in today's video. I want to start off on the daily time frame. This is going to be a short update. It is extremely hot right now in the Netherlands, and I guess in most places of Europe because it's summer, so therefore we will make it short. Guys, nothing had much changed since yesterday, right? We got a falling wedge formation, broke out to the downside. Right now we are seeing that bounce. We have been anticipating that bounce, but right now we are running into some resistance, and that resistance is also visible in the shorter term time frame. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame, zoom out a little bit right here, and let me draw a box right here, rectangle. We can see that there was also some resistance during this period, which means that it already showed a little bit of significance, which only tells us that this level is more and more important, especially as this is the biggest support of that bigger falling wedge formation. That level is roughly at 23,500. If we can break above that level and sustain this level, so we flip this level into support, that would be extremely bullish when we have a look at the structure of Bitcoin. Because it would mean that we are trading back into this falling wedge formation and breaking back into a falling wedge formation after a breakout to the downside is a bullish sign and shows us that we can see a unexpected nice rally in Bitcoin. Then guys, when we have a look at Whale Portal, we can see that the excessive amount of buying pressure is slightly coming down right here. We are still at levels of neutral, which basically means that there is a healthy pressure in the markets. There is no extreme selling pressure or extreme buying pressure right now, so that is kind of okay. If we scroll down, we can see that the funding rates on either Bitcoin contracts and US dollar contracts are positive, but not extremely positive, which means that there are over leveraged long positions right now. Open interest is going up, which means that the majority is long. Makes sense because the funding rates are positive. Bitcoin exchange balance is not flashing any warning sign, and the fear and greed index is also growing with the price. Of course, the higher the price goes, the higher the fear and greed index will go, as well as there will be more confidence in the markets. When we have a look at the take a buy sell ratio, we can see that the moving average comes right now slightly in oversold territory on the 1 hour time frame, and on the 4 hour time frame you can see that we are slowly coming down. Often it can have a delay as well, so that doesn't mean that we now directly have to see a lot of selling pressure going on, but it does show us, these metrics, that the excessive amount of buying pressure in the background right now is a little bit fading away. However, structure is always more important. If we break above 23,500 decisively, guys, I do think we can see another nice rally in the Bitcoin price, but it would make sense if we cannot break it to get a little breather right here. That's all what I'm saying, because we have positive funding rates, the buying pressure is coming down, we see some slightly selling pressure. So as long as we are not able to break above 23,500 decisively, most likely we will see a little breather. Guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't watched my previous video where I talk about a exclusive Bitcoin trading strategy based on the take a buy sell ratio, which is very interesting, then you should definitely go over there, watch that video, and I would highly appreciate, guys, if you would share that video with friends or other traders that you know, because I think it's very important for that knowledge to spread as wide as possible, so as much people as possible right now, at least from our community, can profit from that, can take advantage of that. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.